This 2019 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38K is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, smoke detector, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, oven, leveling jacks, skylight, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38K is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.